Hi, in front of me is CAT S62 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block ads using Opera Mini. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Opera Mini and download it. Now open it. Click Continue and allow and continue or don't allow. Ad block is now on. You can check it out by going into any website, for example that one. As you can see, you blocked your first ads. If you wanna disable ad block, tap at the bottom right corner and click Ad Blocking. Ad block is now off. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!